Here at ETH Denver as Spruce, we're happy to offer multiple different bounties around signing with Ethereum. Specifically, the one unifying criteria for developers this year is that they use our open source product, SSX, with the documentation being found at docs.ssx.id. For each bounty in particular, we do have some criteria that we want developers to follow. For example, for the first bounty, the best use of signing with Ethereum using SSX and ENS, obviously the bounty has to be kind of submitted and using SSX, but at the same time, we want you to implement the full sign-in with Ethereum workflow using ENS as the feature flag, as it is in SSX, and also the judging will lean more towards what's enabled with the integration rather than just a basic integration. Is it for some workflow that actually required signing in, or was it just kind of integrating SSX for integration's sake? The second, extending SSX's availability, namely to additional frameworks, we'll be judging the contribution based on how well it extends it to a different framework and if it's working and tested. We will kind of also lean a little more towards ease of use for developers working with this new environment, so please make sure to include any example code as well with the submission of this bounty. We also want to see relevant GitHub commits along the way rather than it all be packaged in one giant commit and one giant PR. Lastly, the best upgrade to SSX Bounty, we're really looking for folks to implement a feature that could be used alongside existing workflows to enhance signing with Ethereum. We're leaning more towards creativity for this one. SSX kind of includes some of the basics like resolving ENS profiles, resolving lens profiles, DAO login, but we're looking kind of more towards the sky being the limit here for developers to kind of flex their creativity and show us what you could really do, even if it's just through a feature flag in SSX. Namely, these will all be judged as open source contributions, and we look forward to seeing your code. Thanks.